All right, we are on the 8th step. He is scary good at this. Copper's at the top of the stairs. That's who we're going after. But he is figuring these stair things out. He's spitting the whole way up. Jacob, hey. Oh, be careful. Hi, what are you doing? Oh my gosh, we're so proud. Copper, stay up there. Hi. All right. Now you stand up. Oh goodness. A lot of stairs. We've been at this for about 5 minutes, maybe more than 5. It took us a while to get going. We're almost at the top, Jacob. You almost did it. Oh my goodness. Whoa. One more. One more. Pull, pull, pull. Jacob, you did it. Hi, you did it. You made it. Now you just want Copper's toy. Copper won't share. I never taught him to share. And we're out of here into the messy loft.